Bella in the bag. Because what am I going to do with a bird? Alright, well, we're going to go to the Vandenberg Visitor Center and figure out what we can do around here. And then I think maybe tomorrow we'll head up to San Luis Obispo. I really want to sign up for a yoga class or a pole dancing class, but I'm just easing into everything, you know? It doesn't have to all happen right away. I'm just adjusting to all of this. Well, I wanted to make a go live and I can't because I only have one bar here at Vandenberg Space Force Center, I believe. We're at the visitor center. I wanted to do some makeup, but now that I can't do my makeup live, I don't see the point, really. We'll see what I end up doing, but I'm just loving life, like, so much. I'm so grateful. Okay, Vandenberg Space Force is not actually a museum. There's a museum on the base, but it's not actually for tourists. It's a place, there's a building, but when I walked in, it was like all super official, and I was like, I'm just looking around. He's like, if you think this is a visitor place, it's not. There's nothing like what you're looking for. Please leave. No, he didn't say that last part, but it would have been funny. So now we are back to plan B, or back to plan. There is no plan. There never was a plan. So I was like, I don't need to go back to Lompoc. I could continue on to the next town that has a Planet Fitness. Maybe San Luis Obispo. I saw one close there. I think we should continue on. Spotted bird there. It doesn't look good. I think I need to go check it out. I better put Bella in the bag. I got Bella in the bag. We're gonna go investigate this bird. I really hope the bird's gonna run away and fly and be fine. Because what am I gonna do with a bird? Oh man, he doesn't look good. Oh no. Oh, he was just sleeping. Oh, thank God. Thank God, you guys. He was just napping. Oh, luckily. Crap photo shoot happening right here. Now that dog is running towards that other dog. Photo shoot over. Mom's chasing her. Photo shoot is over. Looks like Bella. So we have found a place to get a latte. Bella is already acting up. Come here. Get over here then. Yo, beast. We just forgot about the car at the meter. Let's go, Bella. Let's get out of here. Ashley and Bella here. Just making our vlog check-in. So we are now in Arroyo Grande. We went to Pismo Beach earlier, but it was cold, and it's only going to be more cold over the next few days, but that's okay. We have an amazing Wal-Mart with an amazing view here. It's really incredible. And the Planet Fitness is a 1.5 minute drive that way. Trader Joe's is a 1.5 minutes that way. And I'm just really looking forward to everything that's unfolding. Of course, I mean, the one thing, I don't know if it's negative or positive or neutral, is that there is a cemetery right there. There's the cemetery. It's what I see. Tombstones. I just ended up walking around a cemetery like 2 weeks ago with my friend Jen in Santa Monica. I stumbled upon a cemetery, and one tombstone I noticed was like 2 younger people, like in their 40s or 50s. But I was looking at them and I was like, there's no way that they did not die on the same day. They had to have died in an accident. Like, husband and wife, both of their pictures were there. And then I noticed the date. They died the same day. I should Google them and see what happened, because I've thought about them a lot since I saw that tombstone. Because you guys, life is so fragile, but it's also so just continuous. I mean, don't live and do risky businesses, but live, truly live, because in a moment it can be taken. And it's not your choice when you go or how you go or any of those kind of things. Everything is decided. So live it. Live the life that you want. Or else, what's it all for? Right, Bella? What's it all for? That's my bit. I'm just really happy and feeling deep. And I'm really glad that I left Lompoc, because that was a boring Walmart. Not that Lompoc was boring. I really enjoyed the people that I met in that town, but